Hello! I'm here today to give you a brief demonstration of this latest Microsoft Access database template, ChatGPT and Microsoft Access Natural Language Search plus question and answer database. This is one of many templates we offer. There is a link to a web page listing all the templates we offer in the video description. What if your Microsoft Access database could understand plain English questions and instantly return the right records without users needing to know table names, field names, or how to build filters? WSI's natural language search plus Q&A database template demonstrates exactly that. This template is a practical, easy-to-understand example of how you can add an Ask the Database experience to your Microsoft Access databases. So users can type in questions like, show overdue open tickets assigned to Sam, or show tickets created between January 10th and January 27th, and get immediate usable results that display right inside of Access. This database provides all of this functionality without an MCD server, and without you having to upload your data to the AI. There is another link in the video description that will take you to a page on our website with more information about this database, where you can download a demonstration runtime version of the database. If you see value in it, you can purchase a non-runtime version that gives you full access to every element of the database, as if you had created it yourself. You can also purchase additional services from WSI to incorporate this into your existing Access database for you, or to build a new Access database to store and manage your data with this prompt search capability. If you choose to download a demonstration version, you'll need to unzip it, accept all security warnings, and then you will need to set up the folder you unzip it to as a trusted location. There will be separate videos on both of these steps in the video description. If you are unfamiliar with obtaining an OpenAI API key, just search YouTube for how to obtain an OpenAI API key. The first thing you need to do after launching the database is input your OpenAI API key, and you do that by going to ChatGPT Setup. As you can see, there's already an existing API key here in the API key field, and you just paste your key here. When you're done with this, just hit X. Next, click on Ticket Setup, and you will see plenty of fictitious data for you to test with. You can add more test data, but it will be deleted when the database is closed because this is a demo version. The purchased version of the database will retain all the data changes and additions you make. To return to the main menu of the database, press F11 and click on Form Main Menu under Forms. Next, select a sample question or write your own. I'll go with a sample question, then click Run. As you can see, the data you requested is now being displayed right inside of Access. Just imagine how this can empower the users of your database. I invite you to try the demo for yourself. Again, if you see value in the database, please purchase it, and if you need help integrating this into your Access database or building a new Access database with this capability, please contact us via the contact information in the video description. For an additional fee, we can integrate it with other AI platforms, local AI, other Microsoft-based databases like Microsoft SQL Server.net. Thanks for watching.